Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, we have seen many videos on Flask. In this video, we are going to see how to use post method in Flask. As we know, Flask is used for developing web application, web API, creating machine learning applications. I am trying to upload more and more videos on Flask so that you can learn it easily. This particular video is about login tutorial using post method. We have seen login tutorial using get method. Post method is used to send form data to server. The server does not cache data transmitted using post method. So let us go through the demo program. First statement is form from Flask import star to import the Flask class. Then app is equal to Flask bracket double underscore name double underscore bracket. It is used to create instance of Flask class. Then next third statement @app dot root single quote forward slash login then single quote then comma method is equal to post. Decorator defines your data retrieval. Then fourth statement function login. Then fifth statement uname is equal to request dot form square bracket single quote uname square bracket. It is used to get name of submitted form. And the last statement is, first of all we will see username is Rohit and password is Google of login form. And the last statement is if double underscore name double underscore is equal to single quote double underscore main double underscore single quote colon to execute the same code. Okay. Now we will execute the program. We will now we will see the HTML part. As we know, username is Rohit and password is Google. Now we will see the what happened when you press submit button. Yes, welcome Rohit. So we have successfully has done the login program using post method, and since we have used post method, there is nothing username and password in the URL. If you like this video, please click on like button. Thank you.